Hi, I'm Glory AC and you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be going to the market where I'm going to get gum to fix my ring light. My ring light is broken, so I want to fix it. This is me inside the keke heading to the market, and it was this mad traffic, like traffic in Lagos. It's something else. So we're moving gradually. Few moments later, I will go to the market. This is actually a cotton market, so I'm going to be looking for where I'm going to get the gum. So on my way, I got to this place where they sell meat. So I want to get some meat. Well, this is my broken ring light. So it's already broken already. So I was able to get the gum I'll be using for it. I'm back home. So this is maybe the gum. This is the gum I got. 4 minutes. This gum is actually good, and the direction is at the back. So this is me trying to open the gum. Comes with this small spoon, this plastic for mixing. So I'm going to be mixing both of them, the blue and the red, all together. So mind you, while you're using this gum, you have to use it on plastic, and you have to be fast because it dries up on time. So this is me pouring out the gum together. This is actually my first time, so I was very careful. I want to be sure of what I was doing. So I mixed both of them together, and I decided to put it where my ring light was broken, like the plate where it was broken. And this is me trying to balance the ring light and my stand together. So it was thin, so I'm still trying to make sure the gum is well inside the place. So it was actually shaking, and I was scared. So I need to use my hand to hold it. So this is the ring light. Wow, I'm so happy.